Spain is so much more than flamenco, tapas, and sunny beaches. Hidden across its mainland and islands lie some of the most breathtaking, diverse, and powerful natural beauty on Earth. Today we're counting down the 15 most incredible natural wonders of Spain, starting with the absolute #1 masterpiece and ending with a surprising hidden gem at number 15. Each of these places has its own dramatic story of fire, ice, ancient legends, and the unstoppable force of nature. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. If you're excited, smash that like button right now. Subscribe so you never miss an adventure. And let's dive straight in, starting with number 1. Number 1. Teide National Park, on the island of Tenerife, the undisputed crown jewel of Spain's natural wonders. At its heart rises Mount Teide, Spain's highest peak, at 3,718 meters. Inside a gigantic volcanic caldera, you'll find surreal red, black, and golden lava fields, bizarre rock formations, and landscapes that look like Mars or the Moon. On a clear day, the views stretch forever, under some of the best skies in the world. To the ancient Guanches, the original people of the Canary Islands, Teide, or Enchanted, was a sacred mountain and the gateway to the underworld. Centuries later, famous scientists like Alexander von Humboldt came to study it. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Europe's most visited national parks. Watching the sunrise from Teide isn't just beautiful, it's a moment that changes how you see our living planet. Number 2. The majestic Picos de Europa National Park, Spain's very first national park. These dramatic limestone mountains rise straight up from the Atlantic coast, creating one of Europe's most spectacular sights. Snow-capped peaks, plunging gorges, turquoise glacial lakes, and bright green meadows. In the 16th century, sailors returning from the Americas saw these peaks from the sea and shouted, "Los Picos de Europa." Protected since 1918, the park is still home to brown bears, chamois, and the timeless life of mountain shepherds, with roots going back to Celtic times. Standing here, you feel the raw, untamed heart of northern Spain. Number 3. Ordesa y Monte Perdido National Park, the Lost Mountain in the Spanish Pyrenees, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Vertical cliffs drop thousands of meters into deep glacial valleys, filled with roaring waterfalls, ancient beech forests, and meadows that explode with color every summer. Monte Perdido often hides in dramatic clouds, giving the mountain its magical name. Declared one of Spain's first national parks in 1918, Ordesa has protected this pristine wilderness for over a century, while keeping alive stories of shepherds and monks who once sought paradise among these peaks. It's pure alpine poetry. Number 4. The wild and dynamic Doñana National Park in Andalusia, one of Europe's most important wetlands and a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Here, endless mobile sand dunes meet marshes, pine forests, and Atlantic beaches. Millions of birds stop here on their migrations, and it remains one of the last strongholds of the endangered Iberian lynx. Shaped over thousands of years by the Guadalquivir River and the ocean, Doñana has witnessed Roman settlements, medieval royal hunts, and modern conservation efforts. At sunset, when thousands of flamingos paint the sky pink, you feel nature's incredible rhythm of life and renewal. Number 5. The Mountains of Fire, Timanfaya National Park on Lanzarote. This otherworldly volcanic landscape is covered in twisted lava flows and more than 30 craters in striking shades of red and black. The ground is still hot. Rangers demonstrate by pouring water into cracks, and it shoots back up as powerful steam geysers. Between 1730 and 1736, a long series of eruptions buried entire villages. But nature turned that destruction into this protected masterpiece. Timanfaya shows us that even from chaos, incredible beauty can be born. Number 6. Cabo de Gata National Park, Spain's largest protected coastal area, where the desert kisses the sea. Golden beaches hide between dramatic volcanic cliffs, crystal clear waters lap against dramatic rock formations, and the semi-arid landscape feels wonderfully wild. Ancient volcanoes and centuries of erosion created this rugged paradise, once sailed by Phoenician and Roman traders. Today it's a peaceful haven for anyone seeking unspoiled Mediterranean beauty. Cabo de Gata simply feels free. Number 7. The magical caves of Drach, the dragon caves on the island of Majorca. Deep underground, you'll discover 4 enormous chambers filled with thousands of shimmering stalactites and stalagmites that look like frozen waterfalls. The star attraction is Lake Martel, one of the largest underground lakes on Earth. Glide across it in a boat, while live classical music echoes beautifully off the walls. These caves were slowly formed over millions of years by rainwater dissolving limestone and became world famous in the early 20th century. Sometimes Spain's greatest wonders are hidden in total darkness, waiting to amaze you. Number 8. The enchanting Irati Forest in Navarre, one of the largest and best preserved beech and fir forests in all of Europe. Towering trees, soft mossy floors, and gentle streams create a fairy tale atmosphere across the steep Pyrenean slopes. In autumn, the entire forest turns into a sea of glowing gold and red. This ancient woodland has stood for centuries, inspiring local legends of woodland spirits while sheltering rich wildlife. Irati is the perfect place to escape the modern world and reconnect with nature's quiet power. Number 9. The cinematic Bardenas Realis Natural Park in Navarra, Spain's own dramatic badlands. Wind and rain have sculpted the soft clay and sandstone into bizarre canyons, plateaus, and hoodoo-like formations over thousands of years. The barren landscape looks like it belongs in a Western movie, and many have been filmed here. For centuries, shepherds crossed this arid land. Today, hikers and photographers come to experience its stark, minimalist beauty. Bardenas Realis proves Spain can surprise you with desert drama. Number 10. Aiguastorts y Estany de Sant Maurici National Park in the Catalan Pyrenees, a true lake paradise. More than 200 sparkling glacial lakes, powerful waterfalls, granite spires, and thick forests fill this high mountain wonderland. Lake Sant Maurici perfectly reflects the jagged peaks above it like a mirror. This national park offers some of the best hiking in Spain through landscapes carved by ice ages long ago. Aiguastorts feels pure, refreshing, and wonderfully wild. Number 11. Sierra Nevada National Park in Andalusia, mainland Spain's highest mountain range. These dramatic peaks hold permanent snow and glacial lakes, while rising sharply above the warm Mediterranean coast. In one day you can ski in the snow and then swim in the sea. With unique high-altitude plants and animals, plus a long history tied to Moorish times, Sierra Nevada delivers stunning contrast and sweeping views over Granada and beyond. Number 12. Doñana National Park on the island of La Gomera, a living window into prehistoric times. This dense, misty laurel forest feels like stepping back millions of years. Ancient trees, giant ferns, and unique canary species thrive in this humid green world. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Doñana protects one of the last great examples of Laurisilva forest that once covered large parts of the Mediterranean. Walking its trails is like entering an enchanted forest from Earth's distant past. Number 13. Las Medusas in León, a breathtaking landscape created by ancient Roman gold mining. Almost 2,000 years ago, the Romans used powerful hydraulic techniques to extract gold, leaving behind huge red and gold hills, deep gullies, and dramatic formations. Over time, nature softened the scars with pine forests. Number 14. Playa de las Catedrales, Cathedrals Beach in Galicia, nature's own Gothic cathedral by the sea. When the tide goes out, enormous natural rock arches, pillars, and caves rise from the sand, looking exactly like the nave of a grand cathedral carved by waves and wind over thousands of years. This protected Atlantic coastline offers one of Spain's most unforgettable and photogenic coastal experiences. Twice a day, the ocean reveals this fleeting masterpiece. Number 15. The Tabernas Desert in Almeria, the only true desert in mainland Europe. Harsh badlands, dry riverbeds, and sun-baked hills create a rugged cinematic landscape that feels worlds away from typical Spanish scenery. Many classic spaghetti western movies were filmed right here. Shaped by extreme dryness and erosion, Tabernas is a raw, adventurous corner of Spain that proves just how amazingly diverse this country really is. And that completes our countdown of the 15 most incredible natural wonders of Spain, from the volcanic giant of Teide all the way to the surprising desert of Tabernas. Which one amazed you the most? Would you go straight to Teide, hike in the Picos de Europa, or explore the magical caves of Drach? Tell me in the comments below. If this video made you want to pack your bags, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future adventures. Thank you so much for joining this journey across Spain. Nature here is truly incredible. Now it's your turn to go experience it. Until next time, hasta la próxima.